we are the manufacturers of kurtis. We use special kind of a solution which helps this to stay for very long time. So बड़े-बड़े companies, बड़े-बड़े brands standard maintain करते हैं. Same standards. You go online, this you're not going to get it less than 900 rupees. Guarantee. Corporate people staying around us. अगर आप ये बाहर जाओगे, कोई भी शॉप में जाओगे, 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. Very soft, even after wash. We are selling like hotcake. If you visit, that will be great. You can feel the material also. अगर आप ये देखेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है, excellent क्वालिटी. आप मशीन में डालो, आप हैंड वॉश करो. Our kurtis are very durable. पहनने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत मस्त लगता है. Again, this is with pockets. Pockets are in trend. As far as price is concerned, it's guaranteed price. In one pack, and we have so much of stock. So you can imagine the kind of, how we sell it. And we supply, we give directly to end user. आजकल जीन्स डाला और कुर्ती डाल दिया, ऐसा आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में. मेरे वाइफ, मेरी भांजी, my mother, she's 70 plus, she wears this kind of kurti. This is shirting material. हम जो शर्ट्स पहनते हैं ना सर, वो मटेरियल है ये बड़े-बड़े ब्रांड्स में ही मिलेंगे आपको, 1500 से कम नहीं मिलेंगे. You get jackets for 2500, you get entire kurti for 950, which MRP is 1550.
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను వచ్చేసాను హైదరాబాద్ సరత్ సిటీ క్యాపిటల్ మాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మమతా కలెక్షన్స్ వారికి సంబంధించిన కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్ ఈ బ్లాగ్లో నేను షేర్ చేయబోతున్నానండి. వీళ్ళకి ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకి 3 స్టోర్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. హెయిర్ యాక్సరీస్ సంబంధించిన వీడియో కూడా నేను చేశాను. ఆ వీడియో మీరు చూడాలి అనుకుంటే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో వాటికి సంబంధించిన లింక్స్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. లింక్స్ మీరు క్లిక్ చేసినట్లయితే మీరు ఆ వీడియో కూడా చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్ సంబంధించిన వీడియో కూడా చేశాను. సో దానికి సంబంధించిన లింక్ కూడా డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను. కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్ వీడియో కూడా చూడొచ్చు. సో ప్రజెంట్ ఈ వీడియోలో ఏంటంటే కంప్లీట్గా నేను కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్ సంబంధించిన వీడియో చేయబోతున్నానండి. డిఫరెంట్ కుర్తీస్ అన్ని కూడా మనకి హోల్సేల్ ప్రైస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి కలెక్షన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో మనకి రీజనల్ ప్రైజెస్ కి రీటైల్ లో వీళ్ళు అందిస్తున్నారండి. 1 పీస్ 2 పీస్ లా కూడా మీరు పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకి కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా నేను ఇంకా డీటెయిల్ గా నేను ఈ వ్లాగ్ లో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నాను. అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్, వాట్సాప్ నంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లియర్ గా స్క్రీన్ పైన మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. సో ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్ అయితే చూసేద్దాం.
Good morning friends, my name is Kamal and you have reached Mamtas collection once again. आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं amazing variety of kurtis today. But before that, let me give you important information कि we are the manufacturers of kurtis and we supply, we give directly to end user. Previously we used to supply to shops. We have stopped that and we give direct benefit to our consumer, the end user. So without wasting time, let's start the video. I'll show you more variety and more information. All right, so let's start this. See, this is one of the first sampling I'm going to show you. This is one of the beautiful pieces. अगर आप ये देखेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है, excellent quality. And this is with pockets. You can put cell phone, cards, cash, and these are designer buttons. If you see, amazing piece of variety. The MRP is for this kurti is 950 rupees, and you're going to get it only for 500 rupees. Only for 500 rupees. I'll show you some more variety in this, but let me give you more information. ये पूरा जो है ना, पूरा mill washing है, mill processing है, so there will be no color fade, no shrinkage, nothing on any of our kurtis. ये कपड़ा धोने के बाद stitch किया जाता है. Over and above, there is interlock system on in each and every kurti. So ना कटने का डर, ना फटने का डर. You have to just wear it, nothing else. You don't have to extra stitch. कुछ भी नहीं करने की जरूरत है. And we maintain all standards. जो बड़े-बड़े brands जो standards maintain करते हैं, we are maintaining same standards, and this is going to cost you only 500. Let me show you some more variety. Now if you see, this is one of the again beautiful pieces. Okay, pockets are in trend nowadays, so I'll show you some more pockets in this also. So this has pocket, again designer button. These are wooden buttons, beautiful article. No problem with the quality. Even after wash, it stays the same. Now checks are in trend. You'll get different checks. Now if you observe, we have checks, different checks. There will be no color. These all are catalog pieces. These all are catalog pieces. So इसमें color नहीं मिलेगा, इसमें all sizes मिलेगा. So as far as size is concerned, you'll get M, L, XL, double XL. In some we have 3XL also. Now as far as M to double XL is concerned, you will get it only for 500. ये 850 950 की कुर्तियाँ हैं. MRP है इसका, and you're going to get it only for 500. For 3XL there will be 100 rupees extra because उसका फार्मा बहुत बड़ा है, so you're going to get it only for 600. That is only 3XL. Now see, this is going to cost you only 500. If you see checks, it will be all different checks. Again with pockets, you can put cell phone and all. Again with designer buttons. Now if I show you some more variety. Now this is one of the beautiful variety. excellent piece. This piece we have been selling since a while. This is cotton premium soft and excellent variety. And if you feel the material, these are all our designer buttons. Excellent piece of variety. You can wear it on any legging, any color legging. Even we have customers wearing on jeans also. So our kurtis you can wear on jeans also. Corporate people staying around us, and we have regular customers, they buy from us. Many customers, they have 20 कुर्तीज ऑफ आर्स. हमारे 20 कुर्तियां उनके पास है. सो देर इज अ टेंडेंसी कि एवरी वीक, एवरी 10 days दे वेयर सेम कुर्ती. सो दे वॉश इट अगेन आफ्टर 10 days, दे वॉश इट अगेन आफ्टर 10 days, दे वॉश इट. दैट मीन्स इज सच ए ड्यूरेबल कुर्तीज. इसकी फिनिशिंग नहीं जाती है, इसका ग्लेज नहीं जाता है. सो अगेन दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू ओनली 500. दिस इज 950 MRP. I'll promise you that कम से कम 50 सैंपल मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ. So these are going to cost you only 500. This is again 850 MRP. Okay, as far as price is concerned, it's guaranteed price. Now this is the price given to shopkeepers, but we are going to give you end user. Now if you see, this is one of the designer pieces. अगर आप ये बाहर जाओगे, कोई भी शॉप में जाओगे, 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. इवन ऑनलाइन में भी 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. This is again designer piece, and this is going to cost you only 500 rupees. ये जो इसमें फॉइल प्रिंटिंग है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रिंटिंग है, डिजाइनिंग है, ये प्रिंटिंग जाता नहीं है, बिकॉज वी यूज स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन which helps this to stay for very long time. That's the reason I said this is all durable kurtis. Again, premium kurtis at a direct manufacturing price. This is one of the best selling pieces, one of the beautiful pieces. कोई भी आप legging पे डालिए, regular पहनिए, इसकी finishing जाएगी नहीं, इसका glaze जाएगा नहीं, even after wash. And this is going to cost you only 500 rupees. This is one of fast selling article. This has pockets also. ये corporate में बहुत चलता है हमारे पास. And this is going to cost you only 500. हमारे कुर्तीज ऐसे हैं कि irrespective of age, young girl पहन सकते, middle age women पहन सकते, housewife पहन सकते. Because I have seen in my house, every woman she wears, these kind of kurtis. मेरे wife, मेरी भांजी, मेरी sister, my mother, she's 70 plus, she wears this kind of kurti, and it looks elegant. And over and above, these all are durable. Very nice. Now if you see these kind of kurtis, आप कोई भी शॉप में चले जाइए, 950 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला, but you're going to get it only for 500. This is rayon कपड़ा है, बहुत अच्छा कपड़ा है, very soft. Even after wash, we are selling like hotcake. We are selling like hotcake. Now I'll show you one more kurti. See, this is again with pockets. Pockets are in trend. This is one of the beautiful pastel colors, and the best part is you can wear it on any legging. Again, this is going to cost you only 500. Let me give you more about more information about our as range is concerned. हमारे पास 3 ranges है mostly, 3 or 4 ranges you can say. Again, this is the direct manufacturing price. जो 850, 950 MRP वाले, you're going to get it only for 500. We have around 1100 MRP वाले, that is going to cost you 590. That's a different range we have put in. But आपको 1000 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला बार 590 है. I'll show you that variety also. So let's switch to more variety. And we have one more variety that will cost you 750, which is 1250 MRP. And we have a denim. Denim will cost you 950. Original denim. You get jackets for 2500. You get entire kurti for 950, which MRP is 1550. So let me show you some more variety. Alright, now this is one more variety I'm showing you. This is again 950 MRP. It's going to cost you 500 rupees only. These are designer buttons. As far as quality is concerned, excellent quality even after wash. Because this is all mill washing, mill processing. जो बड़े-बड़े companies, बड़े-बड़े brands standard maintain करते हैं. Same standards. You go online, this you're not going to get it less than 900 rupees guarantee, but you're going to get it direct manufacturing price, and that is 500 rupees. I'll show you maximum variety so you have an idea, or even in case if you want to order online, you आप screenshot लेके भेज सकते हैं अपना number in the description. Now this has the marble buttons. If you see, excellent piece of variety. This is bandhani print, और इसका print जाएगा नहीं. As I said earlier that we use special solution which helps you sustain this kind of print. There will be no problem. आप machine में डालो, आप hand wash करो. Our kurtis are very durable. You have nothing to worry about this. Now see, this is again a frock model, one of the beautiful pieces. If you visit online, these are all 1250 MRP. In the market also, big brands 1250, but you're getting same quality for 500 rupees only. 500 is a dream come true. You don't get anywhere. We have repeated customers, believe me. I mean, we have thousands of very satisfied customers. They repeat and they recommend also to other customers. So this is for the people who are watching our video first time. See, this is again beautiful pastel colored with designer buttons. This we have sold thousands of kurtis, you will not believe. And at times बहुत shortage रहता है and customer demand बहुत रहता है इस कुर्ती का. Now if you see, this is one of the multicolor kurti, beautiful article, excellent piece of variety with wooden buttons if you see, and the kind of print is amazing. You can wear it on any legging. I mean any irrespective of color, you can wear it on jeans also. आजकल jeans डाला और कुर्ती डाल दिया, ऐसा आजकल बहुत trend में. Even in corporate also they wear these kind of kurtis. These all are corporate kurtis, regular wear kurtis, even party wear kurtis also. This is also cotton, amazing piece of variety. This is one of the pastel color, peach color, beautiful color. Right, now see, this is black pit designing. See, this is one of the boutique piece I have seen in boutique. If you go online, you will find not less than 1050, 1150. A designer piece hai, but here you're going to get only for 500. That is direct manufacturing price with wooden buttons and all. Pastel colors are in. Pastel colors बहुत trend में है. So if you see, this is one of the beautiful prints. This also we sell like anything, and right now we have all sizes. That is M, L, XL, double XL. All sizes you're going to get. This is again blue color. Is many people they have blue color, but still it's always in excellent print. Again with wooden buttons. See, this is one of the pastel color. ये पूरे आपको इतनी वैरायटी, इतनी रेंज कोई रिटेल शॉप में नहीं मिलने वाला, कोई होलसेल शॉप में भी नहीं मिलेगा, because we have 100+ variety at position right now on the table, plus we have more stock. And if you see the stock in one pattern, we have so much of stock. So you can imagine the kind of, how we sell it, because the price जो हम लोग बेचते हैं ना, we have maximum repeat customers, they buy. You are getting kurti at the price of a legging. You get legging for 500, not kurti for 500. This is all 950 MRP. You're going to get it only for 500 rupees. See, it's beautiful buttons. Beautiful buttons, excellent quality, and एक piece हमारा बहुत हजारों में बनता है. That's the reason we can provide you this price, and we sell so many. That's the reason we can provide you with this price. Now this is one of the beautiful prints. बहुत बढ़िया, ये पहनने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत मस्त लगता है. Again, this is with pockets. Pockets are in trend. Now see the color combination, beauty of it. Again, these are going to cost you only 500 rupees. This is again with pocket, pastel color, beautiful color. इसमें और एक lemon color भी है. Alright, I'll show you as fast as possible. This is ikat print again. Again light color में ikat print है with wooden buttons है, designer buttons है. Excellent piece of variety, amazing piece of variety. Again, it's a mill wash, so no color fade, no shrinkage, nothing. Now see, this is in checks. Checks is in trend all the time. Again with designer buttons with pockets. You can use it for office purpose, you can use it for regular purpose, you can use it for birthday party, anything. This is again a frock type model. ये बाहर आपको 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है, and you're going to get it only for 500. Only for 500. I'm showing you maximum because our customers, they always demand कि आप maximum दिखाइए, तो हम लोग we can screenshot and send it. So you can buy online if you want to order. There is no problem. The number है description में. You can call us. Alright, and if you want to visit, that will be great. If you visit, that will be great. You can feel the material also. If you are regular to us, no problem. The customers who are looking at first time, please visit our shop, so आपको idea आएगा हमारे पास क्या range है, क्या variety है हमारे पास. Now this is one of the ikat print, beautiful. We are selling like anything. Beautiful variety. We are selling like hotcake. Excellent piece of variety. ब्लैक में भी आप देखेंगे प्रिंट जाएगा नहीं. इवन आफ्टर वॉश नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन. यू कैन मशीन वॉश, यू कैन हैंड वॉश, anything. Again, the pastel color, light blue color, super in trend. You can wear it on white legging, you wear it on jeans, you wear it on any color, it will look great. Now I'll show you some rayon के. This is also, ये 950 से कम नहीं मिलेगा, कोई भी शॉप में चाहिए आपको, सिर्फ 500 में आने वाला है. I am showing you pretty fast, so I can cover up maximum. How beautiful quality, beautiful variety, excellent quality. Even after wash, there is no problem. We have thousands of very satisfied customers, and these all are 500. अभी 500 का ही रेंज चल रहा है, मतलब ये 950, 850 is going to cost you. This is one of the boutique piece. If you see, excellent piece of buttons variety, बहुत ही बढ़िया variety, आपको सिर्फ 500 में आने वाला है. Now if you see these stripes are always in trend. You can wear it on any legging. If you see skin color legging पे पहनिए, white पे पहनिए, black पे पहनिए, blue पे पहनिए या jeans पे पहनिए. This is also one of the corporate kurti. If you see, very nice quality, and if you wear our kurti, it is so comfortable, very very comfortable. This is shirting material. हम जो shirts पहनते हैं ना सर, वो material है ये बड़े बड़े brands में ही मिलेंगे आपको, 1500 से कम नहीं मिलेंगे, ऐसी quality है, but you're going to get direct manufacturing price and that is going to be 500 rupees, only 500 rupees. ये देखिए, ऐसी चीज़ आपको कहीं पे भी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. See the kind of finishing, बढ़िया फिनिशिंग ना. जो भी हाफ स्लीव्स में ना, स्लीव्स विल बी इनसाइड, दोज विल बी हाफ स्लीव्स एंड दीज विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क. सी द काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल, वेरी सॉफ्ट शर्टिंग मटेरियल. इट्स गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू ओनली 500. We have few variety which is which is 590 only. 1150 MRP का है. अगर आप क्लोजअप में देंगे तो सी दिस लॉट ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी हियर. ये आपको 900, 1000, 1200 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. हम मैन्युफैक्चर करके आप डायरेक्टली 590 रुपीज़ में आपको दे रहे हैं. सी दिस, एकदम फिनिशिंग वाला काम है, पूरा फिनिशिंग वाला काम है. सी दिस, and this is all latest. See the quality, see the finishing. 590. I have 4-5 patterns in this. If you see, it's the kind of material excellent. ये 1200-1500 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला बड़े शोरूम्स में. Here 590. Why I'm repeating it so there is no confusion with the customer. अरे 500 बोला, 590 बोला. I am very clear as far as the variety is concerned. So because we are so transparent. Yeah, that's the reason we have thousands of very satisfied customers. See the kind of work and embroidery, only 590. Now I'm going to show you 3-4 varieties which are going to cost you 750 rupees. This is 1250 to 1550 MRP. This is going to cost you only 750 rupees. This is imported material. We are selling like anything. If you visit here, आप हाथ यूँ लगे ना, मेरे को दे दो मेरा size. You will say that. You will say that. I'm telling you. See, stripes, superb. इसका fall, इसकी variety, इसकी quality, beautiful, beautiful. In 750 range में मेरे पास 8 to 9 variety है. Now stripes are in trend. If you see the color combination, you can feel the material on video. You can feel the material on video. क्योंकि I know you guys are the buyers. You guys know what is what. ये देखिए, ये इसमें पूरा वर्क है सर, ब्यूटीफुल वर्क है. ये पूरा डिज़ाइनर पीस है एक्चुअली. ये 1500-2000 से आपको कम नहीं मिलने वाला. मिनिमम 1500-2000 रुपीज़. दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू ओनली 750. वन और मैं बता देता हूँ आपको वैराइटीज ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल मटेरियल, एक्सेलेंट पीस ऑफ वैरायटी. 1250 MRP एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट ओनली फॉर 750 रुपीज़. दिस इज बांधनी print with lot of work, beautiful variety. इसके cut, excellent quality even after wash. Because this kind of variety we sell like anything. इसमें और एक कलर भी है. ये देखिए, डिज़ाइन भी अलग, कलर तो अलग ही है, प्रिंट सेम है, बट डिज़ाइनिंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट. वी हैव 2-3 मॉडल्स मोर इन दिस. सो फॉर दिस यू नीड टू विजिट एट आवर शॉप. वी आर लोकेटेड एट सरथ सिटी कैपिटल मॉल, which is located at 4th floor opposite AMB Cinema. Number is in the description. Please call us if you find any problem visiting this shop. You will get amazing variety. Thank you so much.
సో వ్యూవర్స్ చూసారు కదండి, మమతా కలెక్షన్స్ వారికి సంబంధించిన కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్, మంచి మంచి కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా వీళ్ళ దగ్గర అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్లో అండ్ రీజనల్ ప్రైస్కి ఇస్తున్నారు. మీరు సింగిల్ పీస్లా కూడా పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. మనకి క్యాజువల్ కుర్తీస్ కానివ్వండి, సో కొంచెం ఫ్యాన్సీ టైప్ కుర్తీస్ కానివ్వండి, సో స్టాండర్డ్ కుర్తీస్ అండ్ స్టాండర్డ్ సైజెస్లో మంచి క్వాలిటీ యొక్క కుర్తీస్ మీరు పర్చేస్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ విజిట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ వరకు రాలేము అనుకునే వాళ్ళు త్రూ ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా, త్రూ వాట్సాప్ ద్వారా కూడా మీరు పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్ అయితే క్లియర్గా స్క్రీన్ పైన అలాగే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఈ వ్లాగ్ అయితే ఇక్కడతో ముగించేస్తున్నాను. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వ్లాగ్తో మళ్ళీ ముందుంటాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ దిస్ అనుష సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బై బై.